Divas. So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this hair that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Cosmo Biz Magazine. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. So yeah, without further ado, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this hair and whether or not I think you guys should get it and my opinions, then go ahead and stay tuned.
Cause I see you around town and I'm a boss, man. So you know how it goes down. Me, I be checking me. So I did run the town. I'm on my king shit. So I hold the count. I did rap, I did sing, I did bust flows. I did drive around town and I did do shows. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rockin' I'll be show, take it down for me. Take it down for me. Take it down for me. Call me Dragon Boy, cause I spit fire. All your best MCs I make them retire. Body smoking, girl, you are a bonfire. So let's love spread like a wildfire. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down, oh. You're a good girl, you got no stress. What's your name, girl? I beg no vex. I'm a dope guy, call me your highness. Chill by my side, girl, be my princess. You're a beauty queen, you are priceless. Other girls fly, but you the flyest. I know mine, I know send. I go bed, I go buy anything what you want, I go spend. Take it down for me, take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rockin' I'll be showing, take it down for me. Take it down for me, take it down for me. Huh? What you want from me? Cause I'm a bad guy, can be hard for me. So anything you do, no frown for me. You can chill around me and be my company. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down, oh.
Okay, divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this hair, I'm here to pretty much tell you guys how I feel about it. I did not do like a detailed tutorial or anything, just because I did just want to go in and kind of show you guys what I did with the hair and come and tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and get into the fact that this is supposed to be a I guess like a quicker method for if you want to make a wig or if you want to sew in your weave. So I think that that is very amazing that they did that. It's an amazing idea. For me, unfortunately, it was not that quick, just because of the simple fact that I was trying to make sure I was getting everything right. And one of the pieces did not really like fit that well, because my head measures at about 22 inches and it's really 23 inches without my hair being flattened or anything, but it measures at about 22 inches if I have like big braids or something like that. And my head was pretty big for one of the pieces because I did sew this onto a mesh cap. So that was one of the cons that I had. But other than that, the construction was pretty standard. It was pretty easy. Like I said before, like it is a really good idea for them to do, you know, to have it to where you can just install the pieces instead of going track by track. So let's go ahead and move on to what I did to the hair. So I did go in and bleach the hair, as you guys seen, as I showed you guys in the previous clips. So the only complaint that I had is that my frontal did get, and I don't know if I showed afterwards because I really haven't had time, but my frontal did get bleached a lot lighter than the bundles, or you know, the other hair, and I left it on for the same amount of time. So I was just like, what is going on with that? So yeah, other than that, the color was pretty, I don't know, it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to either. But I'm okay with this color, I guess. It's not too bad, but it's not that great. It's just, you know, it's whatever. But one thing I can say is that this hair is really nice, because when I bleached it, it did not like shed or anything. And even though I did only lift it, like I feel like maybe I didn't leave the bleach on for long enough, but at the same time I was just curious as to why the frontal got lighter than the bundles, but whatever. And the ends are still really healthy and everything, so yeah, that's pretty good. So the hair quality is absolutely amazing. I just like, the only comment that I had was that the frontal got lighter than the bundle hair. As far as this hair holding a curl, it holds the curl pretty good. I did just quickly put like some lazy wand curls in, and then I brushed them out to give the hair more volume, which we'll get to in a second. But the hair holds the curl pretty darn good, so that is really good as well. And also I want to talk about the frontal. So I did go in and bleach the knots, and this is how it pretty much looks, and I absolutely love the way it looks. So let's talk about the density, which is pretty obvious. The density is super duper thin, and I do not like that. This is, let me get all the hair to the front. So this is pretty much all the hair that you will be getting, and I just think it's unacceptable. Like, this is not, no. I mean, granted, if you're the type of person that likes to have like a really natural looking weave install or a wig, like this will probably work perfect for you, because this does look like, you know, like you have thin hair and you did something to your hair. But for me, if I'm gonna wear hair, like, it needs to be thick, it needs to be fabulous, and it needs to be divalicious, and this is just not, this is not doing that for me. I tried to brush out my curls, I tried to volumize the hair, I tried to do a bunch of stuff to make this look voluminous, but it's just not. But yeah, so that is a major con, because I do not like my hair to be short. I do not like my hair to be thin and short as well, because I feel like this is a really awkward length. And that's another thing. I feel like hopefully in the future they will come out with some that is actually longer, and then also some that's layered. So just for example, like a 12, a 14, a 16, and an 18, or something like that, you know, so the hair can be layered, because it's kind of just looking awkward because of the fact that it's not layered. Granted, I could go in and cut layers, but this hair is too thin, and I just don't think that it's just too thin. Like, if I go in and cut layers, I'm just feeling like I don't have enough, you know, to cut hair and to layer and everything. I feel like you have to have a healthy amount of hair, so I felt like it was no point in me doing that. So overall, I do like the hair quality. The hair quality is amazing. I absolutely love the frontal because it looks so freaking good, but I just don't like the density on this hair. The density really just kills it. Like, that is like a major con. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and let me know what you guys think, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or anything you think I may left out, then yeah, just go ahead and leave it in the comments section. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you fabulous ladies in my next video. Bye.